Today, McRumors got specific details regarding the iPhone 15 lineup's camera systems, ranging from the regular iPhone 15 with an enhanced 48-megapixel camera to the iPhone 15 Pro Max with its new periscope telephoto lens. The basic iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus models are expected to use a brand new 48-megapixel Sony image sensor, a significant improvement over the iPhone 14's 12-megapixel primary camera. The increased megapixels will provide better quality photographs with more detail. This assertion has been repeated by a number of outlets, including industry experts Jeff Pugh and Ming Chiku, as well as Weibo user Digital Chat Station. The iPhone 15 is not expected to feature the Sony IMX803 image sensor seen in the iPhone 14 Pro, but rather a new Sony sensor with enhanced capabilities. In terms of the iPhone 15 Pro, the primary camera still uses the same Sony IMX803 image sensor present in the iPhone 14 Pro, with upgrades focusing mostly on the telephoto and ultra-wide cameras. This information contradicts previous rumors that the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max would use the Sony IMX903 image sensor. Both the ultra-wide and telephoto cameras will be upgraded from the iPhone 14 Pro's 12-megapixel cameras, allowing for better image quality and higher resolution photos. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is by far the most intriguing model in the lineup, but McRumors has verified with industry sources that the iPhone 15 Pro Max will have a whole new periscope lens system for the telephoto camera, matching prior reports from Apple analyst Ming Chiku. We should anticipate major improvements to the iPhone 15 Pro Max's zoom capabilities thanks to the periscope zoom feature. The iPhone 14 Pro Max, for example, has a maximum zoom of 3x, but the iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to feature a maximum zoom of 5x to 10x. The directional shift is what enables for optical zoom that beyond what a normal telephoto camera system can provide. Due to capacity concerns, Apple is expected to limit the periscope lens to the iPhone 15 Pro Max for the time being. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.